All right, so we've got our slab. We've moved over to where the stamps are. You want to take one of these metal ribs and you want to drag it over the clay, and you can get rid of the canvas texture that was put on there from the slab roller. And the other benefit to doing this with the metal rib is that you're compressing the clay. Remember, clay particles are like small little stop signs, right? Flat stop signs. And even though I rolled this in the slab roller, it's still, those little particles are kind of all over the place. But when I compress it like this, dragging and pushing down on the metal rib, I'm getting those stop sign platelets to kind of line up and stack and be really strong, and it's not going to warp. Okay, when I fire it, that's when things warp, is when I fire it in the kiln. Okay, so I just did that, so you want to do that step, okay? Then this tire tread, I'm going to drag this over the slab here. And when I do this, I'm going to kind of roll it at a weird angle so it's not just straight. And it makes it these cool waves so that it looks like, I don't know, a creek with like little waves going. And so I tend to like to roll this tire. And if you do it too hard or too deep, it kind of rips the treads off of your thing, but it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? To me, there's a lot of beauty in imperfection. Nature has a lot of imperfection, and yet it's very beautiful, okay? So for whatever it's worth, try not to be too perfect with the stuff that you're doing. But you do want to have quality still, okay? There's a difference between lazy and beauty. Okay, lazy is just not caring at all, and beauty is taking what you've got and turning it into something beauty with quality and craftsmanship, okay? So, there's a difference. Okay, so now I have this beautiful slab, and I have this cool texture on it, okay? So, you put the texture on before you put it onto the foam. Okay, so then there's a lot of extra here that I don't need. Let's move over here so you can see what I'm doing. So go ahead.